Today's recipe is white chocolate banana muffins. Okay, we're going to do our dry ingredients. So we're going to take our flour and our sugar, and we'll add our baking soda, our baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. And we'll just whisk this together just to get all the ingredients evenly distributed. And then we're going to set this aside and we'll work on our wet ingredients. So we're going to take our 3 ripe mashed bananas, our melted unsalted butter, our eggs, and some vanilla. And we're just going to stir this all up. This is a great recipe. It really doesn't take much time to make this at all. And it's great for a snack, great for dessert, or even a nice treat for breakfast. So now we'll add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And we'll just fold that together until we don't see any more flour. Now we can fold in our walnut pieces. Now you can omit this if you like. You don't have to add the walnut pieces, or you could even add a different type of nut if you like. We're just going to fold this until it's incorporated. All right, now we're going to make the filling, the white chocolate filling. So we're going to add our cream cheese that's softened. And we're just going to beat this up until it is smooth. Now again, you want to make sure your cream cheese is softened because this makes this process a little bit easier. Now once this is softened, then we're going to melt some white chocolate. I just used little white chocolate chips. You could use baking white chocolate. We're just going to microwave this until it is melted. And we're going to add this to our cream cheese once it's cooled. So we'll add this to our cream cheese. And then we're going to add our powdered sugar, and our vanilla. Now I'm using real vanilla, not vanilla extract, which made the color a little bit darker. Then we can add in our heavy cream until you get the desired consistency you would like for your frosting. All right, now we're going to assemble our muffins. We'll put half the cup of batter into the tin, so it's halfway done. Then we'll add a spoonful of filling on top of each cup, right in the center. And then we're going to top this off with the remaining batter. This makes 12 good-sized muffins, and we'll have enough frosting left over to generously frost these muffins once they're cooled. We'll place this in a 350 oven for around 20-25 minutes, or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Remember to cool these completely before we frost them. So now that they're completely cooled, we're just going to put our leftover frosting on top. This frosting isn't very sweet at all. It's quite creamy. And then we will just sprinkle some walnut pieces on top if you like. And you'll be able to enjoy. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.